I'm back after what were an amazing 6-day break in Whitby, and we also popped over to Filey and visited a couple of friends of ours that we hadn't seen for a long time, and we had a really good afternoon. So thank you very much for that, Julie and John, and hopefully we'll be seeing you again soon. So now we'll get back to his plants, and we took everything out of this greenhouse apart from a couple of containers and left them outside because there was nobody here to water plants. So what we're going to be doing tomorrow is having a look round garden, and we'll see just how them plants have got on. I did leave a couple of containers in here, by the way, and this is one of them. That says red velvet lettuce leaf, so they did well in a greenhouse. And the same for his mixed French salad as well. But there's still quite a few things outside in containers and in raised beds. So I've literally just walked through the door, dropped tote bags and come straight out just to let everybody know we're going to be back on with a new video tomorrow at some point. And I did notice one thing in one of the greenhouses as I passed it just now, and I'll show you what that were tomorrow. So after an amazing 6-day break in Whitby, tomorrow we're straight back on it, and hopefully you'll be joining us for that video. So I'll see you then. Take care.